Welcome to autobarstop.com. Today we are so pleased to introduce you Twitter automation tool which can support you in doing any activities on Twitter like auto update either bio website inbound, select users, auto follow, unfollow message, auto like, reply to users tweet inbound, agree follows, likes, auto post tweet on Twitter, on mass retweets for Twitter posts. In this video, we will show you instructions on how to mention random Twitter users on tweets. In other words, you can tag Twitter username to tweet post automatically with Twitter automation tool. There are several basic settings you need to set up before running this function. Please refer to the video of tutorial how to update avatar bio and website for Twitter accounts automatically from minute 1:30 to minute 10:15. I will post link of this video in the description box. After finishing our basic setting, now at action section, you will select mention on tweet and move to the post type. There are two options for you to choose here. The first one is mention on tweet with text only, and the second one is text and image. Now we will run with text only first. You will select only text at post type, and at the list of user section, you will create a text file to save usernames that you want to tag to post. For example, these are usernames that I want to mention on tweet. Then click to save. You can run the save users function to save this username. Then at list of user session, you click on this icon, select the list of user text file created. Next, with content file section, you will create a text file to enter the content that you want to post. For example, these are contents that I want to post on Twitter. I will enter them per line, then click to save. Then add content file section, click on this icon and select the content file created. Then you click OK to run. You can click on Show Browser to see how the software mentions username on tweets. Now we will turn to mention username on tweet with text and image. Similarly, at action section, you select mention on tweet. Next, to post type, you will select text and image. Similarly, at list of user, you will create a text file to save username that you want to mention and then upload to this session. Next, with content file section, you create a text file to enter the content that you want to post and then upload to this session too. I will use the previous files created for these two sections, and then we move to image folder section. You will create a folder to save photos that will be used to post on Twitter. For example, these are photos that I want to post on Twitter, and then add an image folder section. Click on this icon, select the image folder created, then you can click OK to run. You can click on Show Browser to see how the server mentioned username on Twitter with text and image. This demonstrates that above are steps must be taken to mention random Twitter users on tweet. With Twitter automation tool, you can visit automaticsurf.com to see more useful software. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.